In my life, I was pretty in-depth with cars, which brought me up to as a mechanic today's time. And I was able to apply all that information at King County Metro working on the EV vehicles. My name is Brian Nicaise. I am an electric vehicle mechanic at King County Metro, based out of Seattle, Washington. So when I report at 6 a.m., usually it is an electric vehicle that I'm working on. I will look at the symptoms that's written on the work order. And I like to start off with using a laptop first, because a lot of the times you just have a generic symbol on the dash that will tell you what's going on. So I will use the diagnostic software that we have, and it'll pinpoint where the location of the issue might be. I really enjoy my job. I'm working with a great group of people, and I'm working with a great agency that takes care of us and takes care of the public.